Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to rate Udemy courses. Now here I am on udemy.com. I'm actually already logged in. If I hover over my profile icon, you'll see this My Learning option. You can click on it from here as well. And when I click on this option, you'll see all of my courses. Okay? And what we need to do, guys, is we can either rate from here. So I can click on leave a rating and just leave a rating from here, or if let's say you are already learning and you are on the course page, right? What you do is come here at the top right, we'll have an option to leave a rating. So go ahead and click on this option right here. Okay, so click on this. And now let's say it was above expectations. It was amazing. And you can rate it 5 stars. You can tell what you think about your own personal experience taking this course. Let's say the host was honest, right? Whatever you liked about this, click on save and continue. And if you want to tell them more, this is completely optional. We can go ahead and skip this as well. And now we can just save and exit. Okay, there we go. And within 24 hours, that will come up here under reviews as well. Okay, it's really, there you go. The course even started, right? And it's really that easy and simple.